eating food, garlic bread and tomato soup. How about a plate of steak stew? I'll try a baked roux, maybe I'll add mayonnaise too. Everything is better with cool. I'm so into food, sometimes I forget to even chew. I just want some fish leg goo. Have a bite of cake too. Chimichangas are great, dude. Everything is good with lemon juice. I wake up and have snacks, checks and 5 or 6 Kit Kats. Then I want a giant rib wrap, even better in a wrap. While I wait for that to heat, I'll order some Chinese. I'll have a kung pao chicken barbecue and add a oven chicken cordon bleu. Also grab some rice and vindaloo. What exactly is obatu? Let's get salad cups so this lunch isn't fattening. With bacon and parm and go light on the dressing. I am always eating food, pepper steak with some tofu. Add a little kong namu and a little namu. Spread on some Alfredo sauce too. I just want the whole menu. I'm so into food, dip some chocolate in fondue. Fry a noodle in chop suey and some Swedish geku. Burger with Munster and good. Let's have a randa kombu. Every time that I drive to the Trader Joe, they say, hi, should we shut down the place for ya? Get one of everything, and then I say, well, maybe two. I've eaten every single hot dog at the stadium. I wanna sit back with that DiGiorno pizza, with the pan crust that they discontinued. Fish snacks, slim fast, kimchi bulgogi, Scooby graham crackers covered in frosting. Pigs in a blanket with mustard and ranch sauce. Don't hate me, but I like my steak with some ketchup. I am always eating food, carrot cake with honeydew, Japanese tonkatsu, oranges and grapefruit, dark purple and grape prunes. Squeeze it all into fresh juice. I'm so into food, I know it's really time for me too. Gonna diet someday soon. Right after this scoop, a Rocky Road chocolate mousse. I could also go for hummus.